Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Today I'd like to join the giveaway from Feesje, my little Dr. Evil from Belgium. And he borrowed the mini Panda-Frog idea for his giveaway. He's getting another child and his due date is 23rd of July. Well, he asked us to guess some weights and stuff, and I really would like to do that. Can I? So let's see, and we pick something for him, so I will do that. Let me try to, what else we need to wait. I don't know what sex it will be. I would say the birth date, the real birth date. So that's the third child, I believe, so it will be faster than usual. I would say it will come out on the 17th of July 21, of course. Then we got birthday, we got the weight. I would say it will be around 3,006. No, you Belgians are small, smaller than Germans at least. 3,300 grams, and the length will be 52 centimeters. Yeah, so that's my dates, my guessing, and I would like to pick. I just received this. I would like to do a out of a pack pick for you, and possibly maybe a little speed pick. So we got a ABUS 713-15. A baby lock for baby. So Feesje, this one for you. I haven't opened it. Alright, so our little key. It's quite a nice look. Well, let's get this one on the vise. Open it up for baby Feesje. And try to speed pack it afterwards. So now you can see. Let me probe really quick. That should be good. Where's my tensioner? There. So the first one is just an open because I need the keys to reset and that stuff. Ooh, this is really tiny. But you know me, I like the tinies. Alright, so we got an open. So check out Feesje's channel. He's the evil Belgium. Evil Belgian guy. He's a good guy. I'm just teasing you, you know that. Alright, so we got it in a vise. Let me fix it a little to the ground here. Right, so focus on the shackle, because the shackle pops, it will stop the time. Oh, it wasn't too bad, I believe. Let's try another one. That was even faster. I lost my tensioner. One more and then it's enough. We need to use the key, of course. Okay, I think the second or the third was the fastest. Alright, Feesje, again, congratulations on your upcoming birth. And this was my giveaway entry for the mini Feesje. I put the hashtag in the description. With the 713 ABUS 50mm small lock for small child. Thanks for watching, bye bye.